Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Lisbon in Portugal. We're starting the day off with a nice hearty breakfast and we are on the rooftop. We've got this amazing view of the Lisbon waterfront over there and a view of the city. And for like 30 euros each per night, 30 euros each for 2 nights, this is really good. So today this is just going to be a normal holiday vlog. We're just going to be seeing what there is to do in Lisbon, and right now we're going to finish our breakfast with this giant piece of bread and then we'll get going. The first thing we've come to see is these old Roman aqueducts. Now, as you probably know, the Romans pretty much controlled all of Europe at one point, and these aqueducts can be found throughout Europe. There's some in the UK. This is Lisbon's one, and it's quite cool. It runs all the way down there and all the way back down there. So apparently you can go up there. Apparently there's admission for like 4 euros, but we don't know where the entrance is. We've walked all the way down this side and there was no like gate or office to pay, so maybe it's on the other side down there, but we're not too bothered. We've seen it, it looks cool. Now we're gonna go get the tram and we're gonna go to the waterfront, I think, because there's a big tower that's on the waterfront and we get to see the beach as well. So that's where we're gonna head now. We're finally at Belém Tower, which is on the coast, and it is amazing. It was built to obviously defend Lisbon from attacks on the sea, and we're gonna go in this one because as you can see there's people there. You can go in. It's like 4 euros, it's not much, but I'm not sure you can go right to the top because I had the drone up before. I couldn't see anyone up there, but we'll find out when we get in there. So we're inside the castle now and you can't go to the roof for safety reasons, it says, but we can have a look at the lower deck and the inside here, which is full of cannons facing out to the sea. So with this room's very small, we're going to go up to the lower deck now and get a view of the gardens and the coast, which should be quite nice. The tower was built in the 16th century and it's now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's got 5 floors. We've been on one of them already, we're now on the 2nd, and we can go to the 3rd, but I think the 4th and 5th are off limits for safety reasons, so we're gonna go up to the 3rd one now and see if the view's any better. So it turns out you can actually go in all of the floors except the very top one. That's the only one that is out of order because of health and safety. We're in this time out market and I'm just waiting for my food now. I've got a pad thai. Anthony's only getting a donut, but like it's a proper big donut, and annoyingly none of them are vegan, and all he's done is complain about how big it is and how sticky it is and just all these wonderful things. It's nice though. Yeah, of course it's nice. Look at it and just look how good it looks. And I'm sat here just like, why can't there just be one without milk or eggs in? But there's a few dessert places I'm gonna try after I've got my pad thai. I'm waiting for that now, but it's quite big in here. There's a lot of stores, but it's a little bit on the more expensive side though. We're back in the hotel room now and we're going to bed. We've got about half a day tomorrow, so there's a few things that we're going to try and get done before we have to go to the airport. So I'll see you in the morning. It's our final day and we're back on the roof this morning just having breakfast. It's not as nice today as it was yesterday, although I don't think it's as windy, so it's not as cold. We've got maybe like 6 or 7 hours to do stuff before we have to get to the airport, so I'm going to try and do things that are quite close by. Don't know what that is yet. I think one of them's Botanical Gardens, but I'm not sure. So we're going to eat this and then we'll see you when we're doing stuff. The first thing we've decided to do today is we've come to the Botanical Gardens, and there's also a Natural History and Science Museum next door. Now the tickets for it are 8 euros for both, like together, or you can pay, I think it was 6 euros each or 5 euros each, so you may as well just get both. And it takes about 30 minutes to walk around the gardens and then an hour or so in the museum. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Didn't mean to bump into you. But whilst I've got you, why don't you go and check out my website where you can help me out, help fund these videos over at www.explorerlife.co.uk, where you can grab yourself a nice hoodie with the Explorer Life logo, or some really comfy joggers. These are maroon joggers with Keep Exploring on, which is the mantra that I'm trying to live by in every video that I make. So why not go check it out, help the channel, get yourself some nice merch, and let's carry on with the video. We're in the museum now, and there is a lot of hands-on stuff. You can do all these games, and then there's obviously just a lot of things you can look at.
2 hours later.
We've just played some chess and Anthony got beat, so unlucky.
Unlucky. He's not.
I mean, it was a close game.
It was a close game, 1-0 me though. 1-0
Close game.
I'm going home for chess champion. He's not. Come to an elevator that is like outside in the open, and it goes all the way up to this viewing point where you get to view the city, and it has a bridge that takes you over to one of the buildings. I'm not sure where it leads though, but this does look quite cool. It's quite interesting. We're gonna queue up to do that now. We're on the bridge now. We got to see this view of Lisbon, but we didn't go up the elevator. The elevator's €7, but some guy came up to us and he told us about a different way around where we could go upstairs and get to this bridge without having to pay to take this elevator. And we tipped him obviously, so we got up here for free, apart from like the €2 tip we gave him. But it was amazing that we got up here for free instead of paying €7 each. I'll show you exactly where you need to enter to take the stairs to get up here for free, so you don't have to pay when you come. So if you want to go up this tower, normally you'd go to where the tower is and go right, and then the elevator's there, but it costs like €6-7. So if you come back up this street and go to this sign where it says left luggage and go right up the stairs and then go right again, there's more stairs, follow them up and you'll get to that bridge completely for free, which is what we got told by a guy on the street who just directed us where to go, which was so good of him because he saved us like €4 each. Finally, the last thing we're doing is we're riding Tram 28, which is the most popular tram to ride in Lisbon. It takes you past a lot of tourist attractions and finishes near a square. The good thing for us is it takes us to about a 10-minute walk away from our hotel where we have to go to collect our bags, and then we're going to head to the airport. I've just flown. It's about 1:30 in the morning and I'm absolutely shattered. We had a late flight, so I forgot to film the end at the airport. But if you liked the video, make sure you like it and comment below what your favourite part was. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and as always, keep exploring. Now I'm gonna get myself off the bed